Hello everyone, I'm Poornima graduated from University of Colombo and past student at Direct Entry Program 5. Now I'm working at Virtusa as an associate software engineer. Actually, I had about 8 years management experience before I moved to IT. I was not quite sure how to make the move to IT even after completing my degree. But I really understood I definitely wanted to start my career in IT. During that period, I got to hear the direct entry program at IJSC. So I decided to make a start at there. I was never familiar with programming language before I joined to IJSC. But during the programming, I really understood how we behave with programming language and the technicality which needs to industry standards. Not even that. The lecturer panel was really supportive. It's not during the course period till we joined to the industry. They also train how we prepare interview skills which needs to job market. So I'm lucky to have this training and invite all of you to get this training to be a professional in IT industry. Thank you.